it's Mandy and DJ. We are going up Mount Storm King Trail, which is it's about a 2,000 elevation gain over 2.2 miles. So it's going to be a pretty rough hike. We're going to take our time and we're taking all of you along with us. Want to wait for the kids?
And here we go. Anthony and Bran out ahead of us. Too cool to walk with the old folks. You got Marymere Falls that direction, and you got Storm King going that way. There's Bran and Anthony. There's the Storm King Trail. Hey, what are you doing up there?
Sucking air.
There's Bran and Anthony down there.
Bye.
We're about 300 feet elevation so far from the trailhead, and about 5 minutes into the hike. It's going to take a little bit longer than average, I think, because we're going to be stopping and taking more breaks. What are your thoughts so far?
I'm already sucking air, but it's pretty cool.
Little baby steps on this tree.
Oh yeah? Oh yes there is.
I'm following along on my All Trails app, and my current elevation gain has been 583 feet of the 2,000. So I'm about a quarter of the way up the trail, and I apologize for my heavy breathing that you're going to hear throughout the rest of this video. There's Mandy. The view of the forest at about 700 feet. Little viewpoint from about a mile into the hike. We still got 1.2 miles to go.
It's Bran and Anthony way up there.
All right, we're 1.2 miles into the hike, and here's the view. We only have a mile to go. Okay, at about 1.4 miles into it, we are walking up a rocky slope. Mandy, what did you find?
I don't know, it's neat. It's not a geode, they said, but a different color inside.
Some sort of rock with a different color inside, huh? See if I can zoom in on it. There it is.
That's cool.
Okay, still going up. Our current elevation is 1,360 feet since we've started the hike. And I think they said it was 2,000 to the top. Here's our view at the elevation gain of 1,600 feet. It is pretty awesome looking, but I believe we are going to be up there. Just can't get enough of this view as we're working our way up the side of the mountain. It's a pretty awesome view of the backside of this mountain. We are at 1,793 feet elevation gain since we started the hike. Got about 200 more to go. Well, Mandy, what do you think?
I think it's steep, but it's pretty cool. The views up here are amazing. See what I feel like up at the very top. If I'll do the ropes, I'm not sure.
In this way. The view at 1,877 feet, and I'm going to turn right around, and you can see the lake down through the trees. So we are right on the ridge line.
It says end of maintained trail.
And that's where we got to go. The rope section is just ahead. I keep showing you these views, but it is incredible. Here's my trail, almost to the top.
Yeah, I don't know if I can run it. Holy shit, don't look behind me. Holy cow.
Wow.
Right, just pay attention.
I think the rope section is up there, Mandy.
Yeah.
We're heading up to the last 1/10 of a mile of this hike. Everybody telling us the views are worth it. And we have made it to the rope section. Gotta use the ropes. Everybody's saying use the gloves. There's a big pile of them laying up here. Alright, we're at the rope section. We're gonna put the camera equipment away until we get up on top. Okay, we're up past 3 of the rope sections. We only have 1 more to go. That's what the other hikers have told us. We're kind of just walking the edge. I do not know what our current elevation is, but we're pretty high up. I'll let you know the elevation at the top. All right, we made it to the summit, I guess we call this.
Definitely know your limitations. It's terrifying. You have to do some rock scrambling, hanging onto trees. I ripped my pants. Definitely do your research. Would never do this again, ever. But
2,246 feet is
beautiful.
Is the elevation we climbed. And we'll give you a view of up here. And there's Crescent Lake. Down here is where we parked, all the way down there. And if you look out, you can see the ocean all the way out there. And here's where we're at up on top.
All right, this is probably one of the most terrifying hikes we have ever been on, or at least I have ever been on, but it was definitely a really cool view at the top. So we want to thank all of you for coming along with us. Again, make sure you do your research and know your capabilities before attempting any hike, but especially this one. Thanks for watching.